welcome back. This is Chaitra and today we are at the Kaieteur Tropical Mist. It's a Guyanese and West Indies cuisine, and today we have the entire restaurant to myself just for you guys. So for the first one, we have the appetizer over here. This one is called the Tropical Mist. So this one's the Tropical Mist spicy chicken, and this is one of their recommended appetizers. So let's go ahead. And I do see they have carrots, the chicken of course, the green pepper, there's the onion and the chives, and it's cooked in a spicy sauce. Let's go ahead and see. I know there's for sure there's a jerk seasoning to it, and it's like there's a lot of black pepper season going on. This is a perfect appetizer. If you love spicy food, then I definitely want. It's 10 out of 10 for sure. It is that good. It is that good. It's really good. So some of the known and popular cuisine in Guyanese dish is the Dhaal puri and the curry. They have variety of curries. The shrimp, goat, lamb, beef, chicken curry, and today we took the curry shrimp. You can't call Guyanese food without a Dhaal puri. So this is the Dhaal puri, and this is my first time having Dhaal puri, so I am really excited. So this is the Dhaal puri, and this is the stuffed dal they use. Oh boy. The Dhaal puri is so flavorful and so soft. The puris are like really soft. I really love it. And the curry is the flavor is really it's very flavorful. Every part of the world, Chinese is cooked differently. So today, another popular dish is the Guyanese style Chinese, and we have the lamb chowmein. It's good, but it's too sweet for my taste. I was expecting a little bit more spicier, but it's good. But I would rate this 8 out of 10. So the next one we have is the fried rice. It's not sweet as the chowmein. It has a lot of flavorful. The chicken, the beef, the seafood, the combination is really good. It tastes more like your Puerto Rican Chinese, but it's very flavorful. I definitely recommend, and this one I would rate about 9 out of 10. So this is it, guys, and thank you so much for watching. If you guys love this video, go ahead and give me a big fat thumbs up. If you love watching food and travel, like always, go ahead and subscribe it. Do not please guys, I really need your support. Go ahead and please subscribe, and also don't forget to comment what's your favorite Guyanese food.